Make ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. First of all, go to your App Store. In App Store, search for GarageBand. And all you have to need, install the GarageBand app in your iPhone. Once the app installed, now make sure you have downloaded or stored your music or songs or custom ringtone in your Files app. So go to your Files app, and your Files app, here as you can see I have bunch of different audios or musics. I'm going to use any of them to make a ringtone. So all you have to need, just open your GarageBand app. In GarageBand app, you have to find out here this audio recorder. Select audio recorder, and here you have to enable FX mode. So tap on this icon and the FX mode will be turned on, and disable this option. Now we have to add here our custom song or music. To do that, tap on this icon, select Files, tap on Browse Items from the Files app. Now from your Files app, just select the music that you want to use as your custom ringtone. And in few seconds, the music will add in this list. Now just drag and drop the music in this timeline. Once the music added in this timeline, you can crop your music just like this. You can play the music by tapping on this play button. Now just tap on this icon, tap on My Songs, and your music or custom ringtone will save here in just a few seconds. Once it's successfully saved, long press on the music, tap on Share, select Ringtone, rename your ringtone here. I'm typing here My Favorite and tapping on Export. Once your ringtone successfully exported, now go to your iPhone settings. In iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics, tap on Ringtone, and in this list just find out the ringtone name. So here's the ringtone. So this is how we can set custom ringtone in iPhone with GarageBand.